Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Education to Solve Technical Problems. Today we are installing the cylinder head on John Deere 40454 4-cylinder diesel engine. Before installing the cylinder head, make sure the engine block and cylinder head surfaces are completely clean, flat and free from oil or debris. Always use a new head gasket and never apply sealant unless specified by the manufacturer. First we filled the oil line, as you can see, oil line for rocker arm we filled with oil and placed the head gasket. Always thoroughly inspect cylinder head gasket for possible manufacturing imperfections. Return any gasket that does not pass inspection that's mentioned in the manual. Place the cylinder head onto the gasket without sliding it. Try not to slide it because it's mentioned in the manual the head gasket can be damaged if head is repositioned while resting on engine block. Install and use guide studs to position the cylinder head onto the cylinder block. In case you need to move the cylinder head after installing or placing onto the cylinder block, use 2 to 3 men to carry it so that you don't have to drag it onto the head gasket. Check the hole for the bolts if you are not using the stud. Check the hole of the bolt. When the bolts are aligned, it means that the cylinder block is in position, and also you will see that the dowel in the cylinder block has locked the cylinder head from moving side to side. Remove the supporting bolts and install the head bolts. Always use new cylinder head cap screws or cylinder head bolts. The torque method mentioned in the manual is initial torque 100 Newton meter or 75 lb foot, that is as per specification of the manufacturer. Step 2 is second torque 150 Newton meter or 110 lb foot depending on your torque wrench setting. Step 3 is verify the torque. After 5 minutes, verify the torque 150 Newton meter 110 lb foot. The final step will be shared in the end, which is degree torque. First adjust your torque wrench according to the manual 75 foot-pound or 100 Newton meter. For step 1 torque, this is the 4-cylinder engine torque sequence, head torque sequence mentioned in the manual. I have shared it on the screen, you can see it. Follow this and do not over torque. After the clicking sound, stop the torque wrench. Make it a habit to stop the torque wrench with the clicking sound of your torque wrench to avoid the over torque.
अंदाजे से करने और इसमें काफ़ी फ़र्क होगा ना। अगर
Orlasi. लगे आगे
10
Now we will start giving 110 in second step, repeating the same pattern, the same sequence of the tightening. After repeating the second and third step, we will start the fourth or final step, the torque turn or the degree torque. Tighten each screw an additional 60 degree. The plus minus of 10 degree is allowed. It means you can tighten up from 50 to 70 in between. It's acceptable by the manufacturer, mentioned in the manual.
ज़्यादा हो गया
बस ठीक है
नहीं डिस्प्ले आवे चेक करो हाँ
जीरो करो
जीरो कर देंगे आ जाओ आस्ता बस हूँ पूरी है डिग्री नहीं हो जाएंगे.
During the degree torque, also follow the same pattern, the same tightening sequence of the bolts I have shown you already on the screen. After the completion of degree torque, installed the rocker arm shaft, and during installation of the rocker arm shaft, take care that relieve tension on rocker arm adjusting screw to avoid damaging rocker arm shaft during installation. This is mentioned in the manual that relieve tension on rocker arm adjusting screw. The torque specification for the rocker arm sports studs mentioned in the manual is 60 Newton meter or 44 lb/F. Always try to follow the manufacturer's recommendation for the better life of your engine and the best performance from your engine. Lubricate the camshaft after the torque. And if you want to see the complete overhauling, subscribe the channel. I've uploaded the complete videos. Thanks for watching.